You did who? All of them a call up my name for get a eye. Me nah give them no eye. They going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them.
Guan. Yo, people. Yo, vendetta people them. Yo, right now, me no need no more song from Alkaline rest of the year. The album alone take a year. People. Yo, people, me I tell you say yo, me can't even sleep. People. The album a kick down barriers, everything. Yo, dog, where Alkaline find them flow there? Yo, where Alkaline find them flow the people? Bombard, brother. It come like a new level like 2.0 this. Brother. Yo, the gangster song them. People, the man alone dominate the album, you know. Yo, dog, man. Bro. Yo, me satisfied. Me I tell you, that 5 years ago me wait for the next album, me satisfied. People, me make sure buy one new thumb drive, you know. Yo, I will album me a rinse. Me a yo, me no know. But people, no people, you know, dog, you not even know, you know. People, me a tell you, know. Look on the checklist. Yo, me not even, yo, the way album great, people, is like, you have to just wonder where Alka did a meds. Yo, you see song when name Bad. You see this Autobahn Records. Bad. Sick. Sell off. Yo, people. You see that song when name Graduate. You say if you're just a graduate from a university, or you're just a fraud from some, you're not from the worst place, or yo, you say Graduate song. Tough. Yo, that song there half a bit hits. You see different story. Yo, people, you want that song with the pan this story rated. Raise the bar. Yo, me no know. Yo, me I tell you no people. You see Vendetta girl them. You see Girl Good song. Yo, you see the Girl Good song. You see when that drop in a party. I know nothing normal, you know. Me I tell our world. Yo, dog, me I tell you. Yo, me no know if it, the album here. The whole I sang them tough. Me I tell you, the whole I sang, you not even know. Yo, we don't know key man, we don't know emotions. Tough song them there. You see, as a matter of fact, bombard people, me I tell you, me I tell you. People, me I know nothing normal, me I tell you. Yo, you see that song there? Girl good, when girl good, girl good. I one thing me want you to understand. When girl good. Yo, dog, me no know Alka find them flow, you know. Me I tell you, know. Yo, they sang them tough, dog. Yo, you see that song there when name Wet Hole? Yo, I know, you know. But Vendetta girl them, boy, me I tell you. Raise the bar, gonna blast. Yo, me no know. Masterpiece. Yo, that album, yeah. If you see Alkaline dominate the album. Yo, the album tough. Yo, I'm not even 10 out of 10. 100, 200, 300 out of 10 people. Yo, people, anybody when I rate this album, yeah. Them no love music. Me I tell you that. You see all the good girl one. Yo, it remember me back in our days kind of vibes. It tough, people. Sacrifice, loud. Different story, loud. Graduate, loud. A matter of fact, loud. Raise the bar, loud. Yo, people, may I tell you? Yo, you see that roping song there? Boy, I mean, I know, you know, dog. Yo, Alka, rough up your girl, you know. Man, I rough up your girl. I tell you, people. People, you know, just type in a favorite song in a comment for me, the people. Trust me, type it in a song. Man, I know. Yo, Alkaline is a real musician, like, brother, the whole I sang them a different flow, me no know. Yo, the song when name Bad, yo, it really bad for real. Me I tell you people, it really bad. But people, yo, I think it gone number one pan for iTunes. People, make sure say wanna buy the album, yeah, and stream it. Seeing, go pan the iTunes, them, the Spotify, the Amazon, stream it pan that. Cause look at now, you see through Billboard kind of take off the YouTube stream off of them thing. Yeah, but if you no can go stream it pan Spotify and the other platform them, that would have good. You see me? If you could have stream it pan them platform, that would have great. Yo, me not lie. Me no want no more song from Alka people. Me I tell you. Me no want no more song from Alka. The only thing we want for that year, I just a video them. Fee song them. Me I tell you. It tough. Yo, people. I don't want joke album this, you know. No pussy test. I don't want joke album. Yo, bro, the man give. He come like a man give a whole catalog in this album, yeah. Me a statement song, girl song, bad man song, everything. Yo, I know people, me I tell you to write it. Yo, the album tough, people. It tough. Yo, the album yeah, full package. Yo, yes, I'ma tell you, me have to big up to the producer them. You see, rhythm them, tough people. You know what I want to do? As me say, make sure you go stream it on the platform them. See? Yeah, stream it on all platforms. You see me? Buy it on iTunes, everything just go buy it. People, you see when you go play them song, yeah? Get one JBL box or one boom box. Get one speaker or in your car where you have bass speaker. And those people, me I go tell you no, just take the album, buy it. See, it's when you buy the album, get one bass speaker, one boom box, JBL speaker, something where have heavy bass. See, and you sit down in your house or you sit down in your car. People, just listen the whole album. You see when you're done listening to the album, boy, me I tell you to write it. Me I tell you, yo, me don't know, your world change. Me I tell you, this, yo, Alkaline, me have to big you up, dog. Yo, you put in the work for that album, yeah. You put in the work, bro. Me satisfied. Yo, a years we are wait on this. As me say, nobody can say nothing bad boy album. Me I tell you people, anybody say album a trash, them bad mind. Me I tell you that. Them bad mind. Cause you see this, yo, the album tough. Yo, me I tell you say people, me I listen to song them, you know. In a boombox, you know. And me I say, yo, dog, me I feel pull up all the song them all 10 times. Me I tell you, 10 times me I feel pull. The way song tough, me I feel, me I say, no man, Alka, dog. Me I tell you, brother, this, me no know, bro. Me I tell you that 2026 year, boy, nah go normal. The album here, it tough. It tough, people, me I tell you that. So as me say, just go buy and stream it. Buy and stream. You understand? Cause we want the album get a good number on the Billboard. You see me? Yeah. Just go buy and stream, people. Buy and stream the album. Tough. And as me say in the comment, make me know, people. Make me know whose song you don't like. You understand? In the comment, type the name of the song. In the comment you want to rate. Yo, the album, yeah. Yo, dog. The album, yeah. The production. The song title, them. Everything sell off. The design, the cover. Everything sell off, people. May I tell you. Everything about the album sell off. You see the effects, them. Where they on YouTube. Like a little 3D thing. Tough. Yo, bro. Jano, dog. Yo. This is an album, people. You see the album roll out with the youth do. This, yo, may I tell you people, it not normal. The album, yeah, it tough. Yo, I can't wait, people. I can't wait for put the song them on a thumb drive. Or something, or play it off on my phone or something in my vehicle and a drive. Just a drive. And turn up a bass. You understand? Yo, may I tell you people, I don't know, normal. I know nothing normal. The graduate song there, it really graduate. Me I tell you, the graduate song there, it really graduate. You see the bad song, it bad. The sacrifice, tough. Different story, tough. As a matter of fact, tough. Raise the bar, tough. You understand? The girl good song for the girls them, tough. Masterpiece, tough. Our world, tough. Yo, I don't know. Yo, I know people. I don't even know. Yo, the album sell off. The album sell off, people. This is a masterpiece. Like everything a 10 out of 10. May I tell you people. Everything. The cover art. Yo, the producer them dog, wanna put in the work, bro. May I tell you, wanna put in the work with the beat them. It tough, the beat them, the production pan this. It not normal. May I tell you people. The production pan the album here, it not normal. The beat, everything, the instrument in it, everything on point. Yo, me not lie, you know, boy Alka feisty, you know. Dog, what man do the girl so? Chan, the man say yo, he put it come in the cup. And the girl a drink with ice. And I mix it. Dog, Alka, if you go easy, you know, dog. If you go easy, you know. Like Alka, it look like the man I go back in 2016, 2014, 2015 version style like. You know, brother. What man do the girl so? Man I say put some milkshake in a cup to bomb. Yo. You know, dog. You see all the song when you're roping? Damn, I know what that girl do all kind of dog, but you come like, yo, the man I did, yo. Dog, Alka, you know, easy, brother. But as me say, brother, the album tough. People, the album tough. As me say, just listen the song them in the beat. You understand? Listen the song in the beat. That's all me have to tell the people. You see me? Just listen it in the beat. Yeah, hear me I talk about. With the bass and every little thing. The production tough. The album I sell off, brother. Buying and stream it. As the album drop, it gone a #1 on the iTunes and some other platform. Yo, Alka, pick up yourself, dog. You put in the work for that album, yeah, bro. You put in the work, dog. May I tell you, say, yo, people, may I listen to album in a dog, and may I tell you, say, yo, the thing just a ringing in my ears, the album. He sang them, everything connect. Everything connect, brother. You see me? I'm like how the man have a gangster song them, and the man have a girl. Yo, the girl song them on the pan this, it tough, dog. It tough when the vendetta girl them all them a song, you know. Yo, boy, may I tell you, it sang them loud, people. It loud. You see me? So as I say, go buy and stream the album. You see me? So if you can stream it over Apple Music, iTunes, all of the other platforms them. You see me? We know say a couple of people are going to stream it on YouTube. Although Billboard not have YouTube as a streaming platform no more. You see me? But if you can make a chance to go stream it on some other cause the reason why I now play it, people, I want uno to go stream it. I want to go up on the platform them and stream it, people. You see me? Yeah, that I want to do. Just go stream the album and make the thing sell off. You see it? That I want to do. Yo, the album, my dog, I tell you, I know nothing normal. I know nothing normal, people. Masterpiece. It come like, yo, it title I sang them, it come like say, yo, Everything Boy album, the man name when I sang them. Me I tell you, the album bad. The album a masterpiece. You understand? Trust me, people, the album I raised the bar. So if you check it, the man name my title of the song, you can use the title of the song them for critique the album. So as me say, The album, raise the bar. The album, bad. The album is a masterpiece. Is it? Yo, the man Ocho. Yo, Alka. I tell you, brother, you go hard on the Ocho, dog. I tell you, Ocho, tough. Yo, dog, I tell you, the album, yo, I not lie, tough. That's all I have to say, people. Yo, I don't know, just get infinite number. I don't know billions over billions or something. I can't say nothing bad about the album, yeah. Everything just in writing. The beats, them, the production, the cover, everything. The name represent the album. No pussy test me, I tell people it represent the album. The statement, them, everything in the song. Yo, dog, you know people. The Vendetta fan them supposed to happy. Them happy. Me I tell yo, me say one night time, man in a one night song, them man a kick up the flow, you know. You see me? Gonna blast. Combat. Yo, dog, me I tell the people. People, go stream them. Go stream them. Our world is. You see me? Yeah, our world is. Masterpiece. Roping. Okay, I don't know. You come like a man, do you really a roping a girl in that song, you know? I tell you. You see it? Yeah, man, raise the bar for real, man. The album, really raise the bar. I tell you. The cover for the album, it tough. I'm not lie. The cover for the album, it tough, bro. You see it? It tough for real, brother. Yo. And a graphic artist will do this. Although me's a graphic artist too. It tough, youth. It tough. He use the right font, them everything. It just come like a new. It just fall like a new modern generational thing. You see it? It tough, man. The picture, cause I think a downtown Alkaline. Remember when Alkaline go downtown, and you see my other picture I did that take downtown. You see me? It tough, man. Tough thing, people. May I tell you that? Tough thing. You see me? It tough, man. See there? This is when him there downtown. You see me? I think this look like a style. Is it? Militant. Is it? You don't know. But it look like James Bond. Yeah, man. I rate the design. The design tough. You see me? Something different. You see it? But as I say, people, the album, like, yo, 100 out of 10. I tell you that. 100 out of 10, people. So as I say, go buy and stream, people. Go buy and stream the album. Buy and stream the album. You see me? Buy and stream it. So all me have to tell you, like, look here. We go buy and stream the album and raise the bar with this. I tell you, it's tough. But people, when I don't know one media fax pan the app. You see me? And respect for my 4,000 subscriber. Yeah, man, respect, people. Big up on yourself. When I don't know one media fax pan the app. That is it.